So in this video, forgive the background keeps on changing because I am DoorDashing right now, trying to get that money. You know all about that money, that paper. So in this video, I am going to tell you what to sell on Amazon. Yeah, I know. Seriously. I know you probably looked through 1,001 videos, people promising to tell you what to sell on Amazon. Well, this video, I'm going to tell you what to sell on Amazon. I'm going to give you a nice little list. So stay tuned to the end, okay? First, I'm going to show you how to find items to sell on Amazon for yourself. Like, without paying a software like Helium or anybody. You can find them by yourself. This is only my 3rd or 4th week selling on Amazon, and I've learned so much. And now I'm going to share for free. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button. Please and thank you. Do yourself a favor. You hit that subscribe button, you can help other people out. Just call this a good deed of the day. I sold some sunblock that I found at Walmart. It was Bare Minerals sunblock, which is $14 for a 20 ounce. So 20 ounce is a little bit bigger than this. Like, it's the same like width, but it's taller. It's like maybe this much taller than this. Not that much. I think it was 2 ounces actually. It might have been 2 fluent ounces or 20 fluent. Whatever it was not worth the $14 I sold it for. Just saying. But apparently Bare Minerals sells it for that much itself. Anyway, I sold that for $14. By Amazon, after shipping it to Amazon, they covering everything or whatever, like fulfilled through Amazon, I got maybe $2 of that. Maybe, if that. Of that $14, I got maybe $2. Maybe. For the same freaking price, I could have shipped it for $2 and kept the 12. It's been a long day, you guys. It's been a long day. I was like, how much I sell it for? So, FBM, not FBA. FBM, you save so much more money. The fees that Amazon has now is ridiculous. Like, the back of your head is ridiculous. Because honestly, Amazon is a scam now. FBA is a scam now. If you're thinking about selling with Amazon, do not do FBA. Definitely do FBM. You're going to save so much more money, especially if you're selling something like mask. That's something cheap. Like, you can literally put mask in an envelope and ship it out for 60 cents. Just pay for a stamp and an envelope. But most of the time, if you go to an elderly person, that envelope and that stamp is free because they're just going to give it to you because they have a collection. Like, my mom collects stamps. So we have hella stamps and hella envelopes. So my next product that I'm selling can fit in an envelope. So that's going to be free shipping for me. Literally. If you're selling something on Amazon, find a product that sells for more than $20 if you're trying to actually make a profit. If you're going to do FBA, which I don't advise, don't sell anything less than $20. Like, no, don't sell anything under $20. Ship it yourself and get it from Alibaba. So I literally just did 2 orders from Alibaba, 200 things. So right now in my inventory on Amazon, I think I have about 300 things. No, about 200 or 300 things in my inventory right now. Reason why I say FBM instead of FBA, right now Amazon I sold 6 books yesterday, and Amazon is holding it. They're holding the books. Haven't shipped them out yet. Today, somebody canceled their order for a book, and then thankfully somebody ordered it again. Someone else ordered it because it's a popular book. Don't forget, when you're selling books, make sure they're high in rankings. Okay, one day they haven't shipped it yet. Okay, cool. But it was really weird to me because I was looking, because I saw that it sold, but on the app I couldn't see what sold. So I was just like, in my inventory it was like out of stock, and I'm just like, yo, I just shipped that like 2 days ago. Like, what happened was someone I had already bought it, but Amazon hasn't shipped it. So I went on Amazon Seller Central forum because that's the only place where you'll ever find answers, because as a seller you have no Amazon support. Like, it's great for customer. Like, if you're an Amazon customer, yes, support is great. But if you're a seller, no, you have no support. You have people like me and other people who experienced people who are selling to help you out and answer your questions. So I go on the forum and I looked, and somebody said that they had sold something off and their stuff is in at Amazon's warehouse because they do FBA, and they had sold it like 2 weeks, like I think it was like 10 days ago they had sold it, and they were just like, but for some reason Amazon hasn't shipped this. And still the payment is pending. As you know, if you don't get paid until the customer gets it. So Amazon ain't ship it, they ain't getting paid. Yeah, it's showing up on their seller account. Yeah, you see it, but you don't get that money until Amazon ships it out. This person was like, yeah, usually Amazon has 10 to 30 days, I think, to ship something out. So, and during that time, the person can cancel it or whatever. Like, that money is not promised. So, yeah. So, don't do FBA. Cool. Got it. So, how do you find products to sell? So, what you want to do is go on Amazon.com. Go to best sellers, those 3 little lines, go to best sellers, and then pick a category, and bam. That's how you find out what to sell online. Like, it's so crazy because everything on Amazon sells. You just got to be smart with it. Another way, if you're a new seller and you don't want to go through the getting approved process, you want to list stuff that you're restricted from. You can't list. You got requests to list stuff. What you do is you go on Amazon.com, type in whatever you want to sell, whatever it is, whatever you got a good deal for, type it in, filter your search. Where it says brand, click generic. That freaking simple. When I found out that hack, I was like, changed the whole entire game for me. So only reason why I say that is because as a new seller, you have restrictions. If someone else already listed the product you're wanting to sell under generic, you can just use their SKU. That's one thing you're going to need if you're trying to sell your own product. If you're selling a white label product or a product that is already on Amazon, selling on Amazon, and you're restricted to just sell it through the site and just offer someone else's, sell it off of somebody who is selling it under a generic brand. Like a brand that's generic. That's the easiest. Say for instance, someone's selling something, they're just like me and you, they haven't, branded their stuff, applied for branding or anything like that, but let's just say their company name is Alibaba. Okay, if they're selling something and you type in theirs, you know that they're not like a name brand like Nike or something, or Adidas, they're not name brand, 9 times out of 10 you can sell their product. Now some companies, they restrict their products, like you can't sell their stuff. They then put a label, they made a brand that's theirs, you cannot sell up there, which sucks. But if you go to generic, there's most likely somebody in your category, wherever you're selling, that is going to sell who is not like a official brand. Like they're just a generic person like us, just a person like you and me who's selling it. Be smart about that as well, because it's like, okay, they're selling it, so you're going to use their SKU. But if their ranking is 1 million, that's not going to do you any good. Like, yeah, it's great that you can sell it, yeah, but if you're not selling lower than them or using Amazon's ads, you're not going to be seen. You're going to be 1 million along with them. So you want to find somebody who's selling a generic thing, who's ranked under 10,000. Under 10,000. That means somebody is buying it. Somebody's buying it at least once a week. Well, I guess twice a week. I mean, once every 2 weeks or something. They buying it.